My name is Katherine Harris. I'm Chief Development Officer at Rondo Therapeutics, and I'm very excited to have had the privilege to be a co-organizer of the upcoming Antibodies as Drugs Keystone Symposium that will be taking place in Keystone, Colorado in February of next year.
Hi, my name is J.P. Julien. I'm a senior scientist at the Hospital for Sick Children in Toronto. I'm happy to be a co-organizer for the Keystone Antibody as Drugs.
I think our vision for organizing this meeting was really to create a platform that showcases the latest advancements in antibody therapeutics. And in doing this, bringing together diverse perspectives from both academia as well as industry. So from my perspective, the Antibodies Drug Symposium stands out due to its comprehensive scope. We're covering identification of therapeutic targets, the design and discovery of innovative antibody binders and formats, the development of diverse antibody modalities that really aim at improving patient outcomes in a wide variety of medical indications. And I will just put in another plug that additionally, this meeting will be held jointly with the Keystone meeting on drug delivery in brain, emerging modalities, really offering attendees the additional opportunity for learning and networking across these complementary fields. We're very pleased with how the agendas come together. We have a lot of key leaders from the antibody field that are going to be sharing their groundbreaking advances in antibody therapeutics as part of this program.
I think from the excitement perspective, the breadth of the different indications that will be covered in this meeting, going from oncology, inflammation, infectious diseases, is certainly something that I look forward to hearing about, particularly in the two workshops that we've prepared. The first one on an evolving landscape of regulatory considerations regarding new biologics, where I think there's a lot of thought leaders that we've tried to bring together that will speak about some of the advances that I think are pretty meaningful in that area. And of course, artificial intelligence and machine learning in our second workshop that of course are constantly transforming what we do, whether it's an antibody discovery, whether it's in clinical trial design, and so on. And so we'll be discussing, where the front of that field is in that second workshop as well. So I'm very excited about these two.
I think that there's a significant advance really in the antibody therapeutics field that we can gain here by fostering these interdisciplinary collaborations and really the cross-pollination of ideas across different therapeutic areas. We all have a tendency to do the way things we've always done them. And I think getting exposed to new ideas and new methods and modalities and how we might be able to apply those to a different therapeutic area is very powerful.
I think we're going to see machine learning and AI already in the sessions, in the core presentations, in fact, by a lot of the speakers, right? As it is methodologies, right, that are accessible, already being implemented. And I think we're going to see key examples.
I think really exciting are the novel methods for engineering brain permeable antibodies that we'll be discussing, as well as platforms for the global manufacturing of antibody therapeutics. And I think one topic that we've left out so far that shouldn't be left out is really new developments and optimizations in FC engineering. This is at the core of antibody therapeutics, and that FC domain engineering is really there to help enhance the therapeutic potential of our antibody drugs, and is really crucial to the success of these therapeutics in the clinic.
I think, Kat covered it so well already. Maybe what I will say is that a lot of these key advances in technologies and tools often are communicated through abstracts and short talks as well, and that's where we hear about a lot of that novelty, and so we really encourage people at all stages of their career to apply for the abstracts, and I think the deadline is coming up on the 13th of November to be considered for a short talk, and then all the way to January 27th for poster presentation as well. So please do apply. This is a very important aspect, I think, of the Keystone conferences, is the ability to network through all stages of career. And so, this is something that I strongly encourage trainees to consider as highly beneficial in a smaller format at the Keystone meeting, to be able to engage their peers, certainly who will be their colleagues going forward, and also people at all stages and from all geographies, really, as well. So I think that's really a perk of attending this Keystone meeting.
We're very excited about the Keystone Symposium Antibodies as Drugs conference that's coming up in February in Keystone, Colorado. We hope that you're going to join us. We think that this offers a really diverse as well as comprehensive view of the antibody field as we know it right now. And it's going to have value not only for academics, but also those from industry, early career scientists, trainees, as well as leaders in the field. We hope you'll join us for this very important meeting.